These are my ins and outs for 2025. Hey Vabs, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about, already saw from the intro, my ins and outs for 2025. A lot of the things that I want to bring in and improve on, and a lot of things I want to take out and just not reminisce on. This is 2025, a bigger and better year. Back for another makeup chit chat. My first in would actually be being consistent and having a schedule. Last year, I was not consistent at all. Like, at all. Consistency, I didn't know her. Who is she? Who is consistency? My out would be overworking myself. Sometimes I could overwork myself to the point of stressing myself out so bad where I get stretch patches of pimples. Yo, I could really overwhelm myself sometimes, but that's something I'm looking into to work on, see? In would be posting more in real time. There's so many times where I will film. Great example, my literal birthday last year was in April. I filmed it and everything. Why did it not go out till September? No, like when I think about it, I actually want to scream because why? Why did it take me 6 months? Because I was stressed. Hello, that summer was not the greatest summer for me, like at all. Like after my birthday, life just felt so upside down. It's not even funny, but it's okay because I'm better, I'm more focused, and I'm more determined. My out is pretty much similar to my in, which is not posting vlogs a million years late. I definitely had a habit of doing that, and I want to figure out a really good posting schedule. If you could see behind me, which I'm pretty sure you can, over there in that corner, I finally got a whiteboard calendar, and that has helped me so much trying to improve on how much content I get out and, you know, just keeping a good reminder of posting more than I did the last month. Like that was my goal for this month of March. My next in would be to actively chase my dreams every day. Every day I wake up, I need to make sure that I'm getting closer to my goal and my dreams. Like today, I really want to be like a 7 a.m. girly. So today I woke up at 7 a.m. and I went to the gym. I got a little cardio in, hit the sticks, did the sauna, and now I'm filming and recording before I go to work. Because I already know that I'm working a shift, just working a lunch shift today. So it's like after work and after the gym, there is no way that I'm coming home and filming. I mean, like I could, but we're just not there yet. I'd rather wake up at 7 a.m., make sure I'm getting into the gym and then film and then go to work and then come back and just edit and enjoy my day. You know what I mean? Like, it's getting warm out. Like, I could enjoy my night, like, after I edit. Cause I have some videos to edit. But, like, I just feel more, how do I explain it? I don't know. It's just, I love editing. Even though, no, let me not lie. I don't always enjoy editing. But after I get into it, I'm, like, loving it. I'm like, oh, I can't wait to see the final product. It's a whole thing. My out would be talking about my plans too prematurely. And, ooh, I have a tendency to get really excited and just start telling plans of things that I want to do or talk about it too early, like, and not have it like finished and ready to just send out to the world. And I don't necessarily believe in evil eye, but I definitely believe in monitoring spirits. Hello. And it's not even to say like the people who I tell, my closest people are monitoring spirits. It's just like, it's too early. Like it's too premature. Like let it grow. Let it pour into it. So I'm gonna just start keeping things on the low until it's ready to just be like bam, boom, bam. You know, that's the vibe that I'm kind of going off of for 2025. I'm loving all the new techniques I've been picking up through 2025 and just getting better and improving my makeup. Like My next in is going to be no phone, waking up for the first 30 minutes. Like after I wake up, no phone. And that's something that I'm definitely still trying to implement because I do my devotion on my phone. Obviously, like I need my phone a little bit, but like, I mean like mindless scrolling, no mindless scrolling for like the first 30 minutes. Especially it's getting warm out now. Go for a walk, go touch some grass. And then we're gonna spray some setting spray, hydrate the face. Alrighty, now we're about to get into the eyes. My favorite part. Like I'm rushing and I put on eyeshadow without having like a base. It just looks horrendous in my opinion. I don't know if y'all could hear my little sister, but she's killing me. She literally just woke up 5 minutes ago. Why is she already playing Roblox? Alright, now let's get into the eyes. I want to match my shirt, so we're gonna do... Wait, why did I think this whole time that I had gray in this palette, y'all? I do not have gray in this palette. Okay, I need to pick up gray eyeshadow then. I need to find a palette that has gray. Y'all, I've had this palette since I was a literal cheerleader. I think I got this either my first year being a cheerleader. I've had this palette since 2016. And the palette does give 2016. I will not lie. What do I want to do? I want to do something like light and sparkly. All right, I'm gonna do this one and then I'm gonna do a little bit of that. And my next out is going to be doom scrolling for more than 30 minutes. Sometimes I'll be literally on TikTok 3 hours and I'm like, where did the time go? Why is it 11 o'clock and I woke up at 8 o'clock and I'm still in my bed on my phone? See, that's an issue. That is an issue. But sometimes I'll be like, oh, like it's for research purposes. No, it's not. No, it's not. I know, like I just need to focus more like on me. Imagine what I could have done in that 2 hours of doom scrolling. Like I could have got so much other things done that I know I need to get done. Sometimes I could also be a really big procrastinator. Like, girl, you know you need to get that done. Get it done. Now I feel guilty because I didn't get it done. Now I'm like, dang, I feel even more behind than how I already feel. But then I gotta stop thinking like that. I gotta get out of that mindset of thinking that I'm like behind because I'm not. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. I've been through exactly what I was meant to be through to get me to the point in my life where I want to be. Period. Okay, Rachel. I'm gonna take this color. Ooh. Okay, because why is she so pretty? Okay. What? It's kind of a little gray. Am I tripping or is it the lighting? It looks a little gray to me. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, she's so cute. It looks like iridescent. Like especially on the brown. This is really pretty. Oh wow, this is pretty. Okay. Now, Vertex Beauty sent me this eyeliner stencil. They also sent me a bunch of other brushes and I've been using them and really enjoying them. We're gonna do a bit of eyeliner. Like I really don't, I don't really care for like a long wing. I don't, guys. She still needs some work, but I promise y'all, if y'all saw me how I've been filming all week, I've been scared. I've been scared. Then you just gotta clean it up a bit. Period clean. Y'all, I was rushing. I was actually so anxious. I'm going to finish in a perfect timing. My next out is ties in perfectly, rushing everywhere I go. Like, I'm so tired of rushing. I don't want to have to rush. Like, I just want to get there on time. The stress and the anxiety of being late sometimes really does it for me. That's what really does it for me. I love her. She's so cute. Then I'm gonna just take my beauty blender and I'm gonna, you know, blend it in some more. Then I take my triangle sponge. I'm gonna put it in my, what is the name of this? Why am I tripping right now? Pressed powder, oh my gosh. My next and final in is going to be loving the era that I'm currently in. I'm only gonna be 21 once in my life. I'm only gonna live in this time once. Like, I need to enjoy the journey. Even though, yes, I wanna be at a certain point in my life, I'm not there yet, and that's okay. Because every chapter looks different. Why am I over here spitting hard facts right now? I feel like the mascara like always somehow makes the eyeliner look better, and it like pulls through for it a bit. My last out is going to be getting discouraged, because can't nobody do it like Rachel Capri. Period. I gotta remember who I am, and that's it. Because I know who I am, and I know I'm that girl. Wow. She looks so gorgina. Mwah. Thank you, Babs, so much for tuning in for another makeup chit chat. I'm actually learning to really love these, and I'm just getting obsessed with them. Sitting at my little vanity, just spilling tea, talking about life, talking about being a girl, the struggles and the come-ups of wanting to be in the limelight. This is all that my channel is about. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, Babs. Mwah.